Process, policy, procedure. Why does it matter? Every year, businesses waste hundreds of hours and dollars creating policy and procedures no one reads or understands. Really? What's our policy? What do I need to do? Mixing policy and procedure together is a big no-no. Regulators hate it. It confuses employees. It creates maintenance nightmares. So let's get everybody clear. People have different questions. Who, what, when, why, how? Policies. Answer the question. What do I need to know? Guidelines, standards? Procedures? Answer the question. How do I do something? Task, actions, how-tos? Policy is like a vacation policy. 2 weeks paid after 1 year, etc. Procedures? How do I request time off? How do I fill out a vacation request form? How do I track vacation days for each employee? The key concept is policies and procedures are related but distinct. Most often, there is not a one-to-one correspondence. One policy may have several how-tos. One procedure may link to several policies. Keep them separate. Link them together. Policy and procedure. Now let's get a little more advanced. What's the difference between a process, procedure, or work instruction? Some people refer to these as detailed tasks. The main difference is level of detail. They are really all tasks because a process is a big job that spans across functional groups, like new employee onboarding. Procedure is more detailed than a process, like entering a new customer. A detailed task is very detailed, like a how-to, running a bank or a reconciliation report. Now, I'm going to have you answer this quiz. Which of these do you think is a policy, process, procedure, or work instruction? Let's look at this. How to run a diagnostic report. Building a Jeep Wrangler. Setting up a new customer. Hours of operations. Resetting your password or your internet usage. I'm going to give you a minute to think about those. Which are policy, process, procedure, or work instruction? Here's the answers. A work instruction is how to run a diagnostic report. Also, resetting your password is a work instruction. A process is building a Jeep Wrangler. And a procedure is setting up a new customer. And then you have 2 policies, hours of operations and internet usage. Let's bring it all together. How does information interrelate? How do the puzzles fit together? Here is the proven model. The goal is your policy is your process, procedure, and your detailed task. So just keep in mind the goal. Keep the business goal in mind. Think of all of these as modules that link together and create each one as a separate document and link them together.